SHEIN Squishy Unboxing 2026, are these actually soft or total disappointment? I unboxed several SHEIN squishies to see if they actually feel as soft and satisfying as they look online. And honestly, the results are very mixed. Some are genuinely soft and slow rising, while others don't feel anything like the product photos. One current 2026 squishy has a 4.45 rating, with buyers specifically praising how soft, sticky, and slow rising it feels. Another handmade mochi-style squishy has a 4.53 rating, with buyers calling it soft and satisfying. The material makes a huge difference. Many of the current options use TPR, while some foam-style squishies have a completely different texture. One strawberry squishy has a 4.70 rating, and buyers describe it as soft and slow rising. Another pineapple design has a 4.66 rating, with reviews saying it's soft, satisfying, and genuinely slow rising. But then there are the disappointments. One current dumpling-style squishy has only a 1.00 rating, with buyers saying it felt like an ordinary foam squishy instead of the soft, slow-rising product shown in the photos. Another product received complaints about leaking during shipping, showing that some squishies can have quality or packaging problems too. So don't assume that every SHEIN squishy will have that super soft, slow rebound texture you see in videos. Before buying, check the material, customer photos, recent reviews, and comments about the actual texture.